Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to access Microsoft Teams using the web. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is of course go to Google if you want to have the application of course, and download the Microsoft Teams application if you want to have that application. But of course, if you want to use it via the web, there is of course another option how you can do it. So open your web browser, so any web browser that you have. For this video, I'll have of course use the Chrome. So now when you launch Chrome or Firefox or Edge, whichever you want, then you just need to visit this link that I'll be pasting. So https two dots two we have two lines teams.microsoft.com, and then just click enter. And here it will of course be loading now. Then of course you need to go and sign in. So enter your Microsoft 365 username and password to sign in. If prompted, select the use the web app instead of access through your browser. So if you have to, you can go, of course, and go and get this application here, which we, of course, have. If you don't have it, of course, you can go and download it. Once signed in, you can use the Teams just like you would in the desktop app. So you can join meeting, chat, colleagues, share files, and more. So that's what you can do by clicking on that button after you go and, of course, log in. So basically then when this pops out, you will have, as you can see, a lot of options here, which you can of course then go and use. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.